You got to be careful here because, you know what I mean, this is basically, you're going down.
Manuel Antonio, Costa Rica. I'm excited, baby.
Buenos días, amigos, y pura vida. Desde Costa Rica, Manuel Antonio Park. We're in the middle of the jungle here. We're staying at a villa in the heart of Juan Manuel, and we're having a blast. We're here. We're gonna try and give you a quick snippet of our experience here. We're having a lot of fun. I gotta be honest. I'm gonna go into the villa here to give you guys a little bit of a scoop of where we're at. This is villa number 7, which is interesting right off the bat. You see right behind me, that's a glass closet. Pretty interesting. Right in the door, opens this way. But they provide you with bathrobes, a safe, just an umbrella, kind of a yoga mat, and room for you guys to put whatever else you need to put in here. But I gotta be honest, I'm extremely excited. We're excited. We've been here for a few days. It's Monday morning. I know everyone is working back home. And here we are in Manuel Antonio, Costa Rica. I'm excited, baby. We're having fun. We're being entertained. Let me show you a little bit, on our kitchen area. So here, la cocina. We can cook here. Pretty much they have it set up similar to your kitchen back home, at least our kitchen. You have a refrigerator, dishwasher, garbage disposal in this area hidden, so it looks pretty clean, very aesthetically pleasing. I gotta be honest. Ventilators, little bit of everything. There's Ep. Say hi, Ep. Hi. She's having fun. She's just waking up from a magical night like she always does here. But it's fun. I mean, we're really enjoying Costa Rica. It's our first time here. We didn't know what to expect. We heard, watch out for the monkeys, watch out for the sloths. We're loving these guys. These guys are fun. But here's the bedroom, right in the middle of everything, which is beautiful. You have a work area back here in case you're wanting to do some work instead of vacationing. Not gonna happen in my area, I gotta tell you. I mean, I'm here to have fun. So, what else do we have here? We have the bathroom here, which is pretty interesting. We have a sauna in the bathroom. So, loved it. I mean, it was used yesterday. We had fun. We relaxed in there, heated up. This is the rest of the bathroom. Nice background, nice designs. I'm gonna take you, it's kind of like a wraparound. So you have the sauna, right? You have the bathrooms. And here, interesting shower. If you look at the flooring, it kind of like, you gotta love this stuff. The design is beautiful, but it's rocks. It's a little bit rough. So, just gotta, I'm assuming they do this for therapeutic reasons. These guys are ahead of us. They know what they're doing, how they set things up. So shout out to the Makanda hotel, which is where we're at. Again, they have different villas. They have different types of rooms. This is one of the higher end rooms. It is a bit expensive, I'm not gonna lie. And you can look that up online when you get a chance. The villas, even the regular rooms are really expensive for the majority of people, but the villas are just top notch. But we're here in Costa Rica. We wanted to do it right. We had heard a lot of good things about Makanda, and everything has lived up to the hype. I mean, we had monkeys, sloths jumping around our balcony, or our terrace, I should say, because you're gonna look now. This is definitely not a regular balcony. This is a terrace. And what you're seeing here is exactly what I'm showing you. It's, you know, let me kind of clear the lens up here so you can see the background. That's the ocean in the background. That is, ladies and gentlemen, the ocean. So you're in the middle of everything, and this is a terrace with no, I mean, this is, you got to be careful here, because, you know, I mean, this is basically, you're going down. These are the top of the trees, and then you have some trees here that have been here for hundreds of years, I have to assume, because they even supersede our area, and we're at the top. I mean, we have a jacuzzi. Again, at night, one of the most beautiful sights. It lights up, beautiful designs on the walls. You see Ep relaxing over there. She's just having fun. She's just loving the fact that I'm recording this. So we're just having fun here. And I wanted to share this with you guys because I know a lot of friends of mine. Let me again change the lens so you guys can see there. A lot of you guys, a lot of friends of mine, they wanted me to kind of give them a heads up of what this felt like. What was Costa Rica like? I got to tell you right now, it is the rainy season. Salsa time, baby, for us. And we're ready to go to the beach this morning. We're ready to go have some fun. But again, just wanted to share that with you guys. And hopefully this video gives you a good idea of what it's like to be here at Makanda in Costa Rica. I almost said the wrong country. Costa Rica. In Manuel Antonio Park. Go check that out, by the way. Go do some zip lining. Go do some tours. Highly recommended. But anything you want to say? Everything good?
Pura vida.